Hey there, in this video we will go through a reading strategy which is skimming. Skimming refers to the process of reading. It is a process in which we can get a general idea from a text easily. Skimming helps us to read quickly. It helps us to identify whether or not to continue reading a text. Skimming academic texts before reading can help us to consider what we already know and to develop a purpose for reading. There are some steps for the process of skimming which should be followed while doing it. Read the title of the text, read the introduction or the first paragraph of the text, read the first sentence of every other paragraph. Then go for reading the headings or subheadings if there is any. Also notice any pictures, charts or graphical representation. Read the keywords, that is italicized, bold or underlined words. And lastly, read the summary or last paragraph of the text. That was all about skimming. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe us. Bye bye.